Since ang daming nagtutulak sa akin gumawa ng Hetero Part 2 reaction, eto na. Gusto ko yan. Kahit na masama ang hinaharap, positibo pa rin si Queen, maganda pa rin hangarin, masaya pa rin.
For one, we shouldn't have scared away all the freshman gays.
Chanting sacrifice probably wasn't the best.
School club yung
They
GSA,
want us to chant.
hindi fraternity or sorority, bakit kayo mag-hazing?
Like, what do you know about K-pop?
Surprising na wala kayong alam sa K-pop. Yung BTS naghahalikan.
What?
My aunt's Mary Kay.
The white one? Obviously. Oh my
Oh,
god, I wish
Queen,
that were me.
kung nasa Pilipinas ka, hindi mo hihilingin mag-pyramid scheme.
Romeo
Marong
and Juliet.
scammer na nahuli ng pulis.
Through the centuries since its famed
Isa pang
author
Mr. Collins
graced our
na
planet in
eksena.
the
Mukhang hindi
1600s,
maganda
the
katapusan nito.
classic four. That's enough from this section of the room.
Kung
Thank
lagi
you
nang
very
gugulo
much.
ang mga bakla sa klase mo, bakit hindi ka gumawa ng
Who
movement
will be
para
our Romeo?
ma-expelled sila o mapatalsik? Sa wakas
Wonderful.
may makikita na din tayong
Really,
ibang
living
personalidad
up
ni
to your
Chloe
name
bukod
there.
sa pagiging bakla. Theater actor.
And who will be our Juliet?
Okay, Mr. Collins, it has to be me. I've had her lines memorized since I was 10 years old. I was lead.
Quinn?
I was lead in the... Alam namin pasikit ka, Mickey.
It's acting, Quinn.
Halatang gumaganti si Mr. Collins kay Queen. Pinagtatambalon tomboy sa A-map. Hindi ko alam kung okay lang na ma-objectify ang isang teenager dahil isang teenager din yung nag-objectify sa'yo.
But soft, what light through yonder window breaks? It is the east, and Juliet is the sun. Arise, fair sun, and kill the envious moon who is already sick and pale with grief. Quinn.
Kahit seryoso mag-acting si Cohen, wala talagang sumiseryoso sa English literature. Kasi ang
What light through yonder
boring
window
nun.
breaks? Pale with grief.
Nakita na ni Queen si Hot Girl.
Yeah.
We're supposed to kiss now.
Lagot ka, Queen. Nagsiselos na boyfriend ni Cohen na si Mickey.
He can't make
True,
us do that.
true. Hindi mo
What
pwede
did that,
paghalikin ang dalawang
performance show
teenagers.
But Quinn can't act for shit.
False. They acted straight for 12 years.
Oh, that's
They acted straight for 12 years. 15 years old kayo, pagkakaalam ko. So si Queen, alam niya ng tomboy siya nung 3 years old. Ganun ba?
Ready on the
Oo,
line as it is.
nakakatakot. Your little club is on the line. Anong mangyari pag nabuwag sila? Mawawalan silang club room? Pwede pa naman sila magkita kahit sa ang parte ng school. Wala lang yung club.
Do you have a problem with me, or is it with Shakespeare himself?
Definitely you. Ikaw talaga yung problema. Masyado ka kasing tigang kay Shakespeare.
Excuse me.
Oh, hi. We're the Gay Straight Alliance. You might
Nandito naman si Overpride. Wala sa lugar ang
You know, I
pagiging
don't
proud.
usually work with groups.
Well, we're very codependent.
Not really something to
Match
set
made in
diagnosis.
heaven. Bagay talaga si Mickey at si Cohen. Parehas.
Depressed.
That's tea.
Gays are very depressed. Are you really? Diba slang for gay happy?
Quinn Goodman fearlessly forged the underground Gay Straight Alliance as Geography Club.
I wonder, gaano katagal sila nagtago as Geography Club bago maglantad as Gay Straight Alliance? At paano kaya yung interaction na yun?
I wanted me to find a good Colombian boy, but
Y'all fucked that one up.
Baka trip ni Saray Colombian girl si Dora. Dora!
Every night before I go to bed.
Ang tanging poster na meron ako,
So did you all
si
do
Jesus
Geography
Christ.
Club?
Ang
More
Panginoon.
like the bathroom.
Yeah, we were seriously freaked out by all the pride flags and sought solace in the one gender neutral bathroom.
Shockingly, we were the only ones in
Ano
there that
yun,
weren't
Jolene?
Julie.
Kami lang
Then,
hindi
we got
Jolene. Ano
flushies.
yun, Jolene?
That was a good day.
Slashies, yeah. Noong unang panahon, nung may slushy pa sa 7-Eleven.
Cancelled unless we talk to straight people.
Why don't you want to hang out with straight people?
I don't know, disease?
To save the
Di ba magmas ka STD ka pa kapag same gender? Male to male, female to female?
You're gonna fight for the club?
I mean, I'm not busy.
I'm not busy. Hindi abala. Ibig sabihin, marami siyang time. Walang ginagawa. So bakit kailangan pa na nila ng club room?
Gentlemen,
Club.
and those of you who know better. Yes, Sarai.
I want
Alam
a
namin,
girlfriend.
Saray. Gusto mo si...
Listen up. We have 2 weeks to double our numbers. I'm sure Mr. Ham was counted, so I'll just take attendance. Sarai?
I talked to you like 2 seconds ago.
Mickey? Where is Mickey?
Probably nagpapasikat sa
Crying
Twitter.
again?
Hashtag GSA Rocks.
Zell? Here. Cohen?
Quinn?
Yes, Cohen.
Our school's Gay Stray Alliance has been around for 3 years.
So,
We're its only members.
nung mga 3 taon na yun, gaano kayo ulit katagal nagpanggap na Geography Club?
I'm just doing my homework. I'm straight.
They will.
Please don't hurt
Oh,
me.
baklayin
Say
ka
that.
nila.
This is a safe space.
Safe space. Baka may higher pass ka.
I have straight friends.
Ikaw.
I could
may
walk into that
nakaka-tolerate
hallway right
sa'yo.
now and find
Parehas lang
a
tayong ugali, wala nakaka-tolerate sa akin.
multitude of Quinn. Yeah?
You know that woman who like lived with the monkeys?
Yeah, alam na alam ko yung
Well, she
tinutukoy
said
ni
that
Sel
to live in the
Amari.
wild, you
Yung
have
tumira
to
kasama ng mga
become
umunggoy.
the
Pinagtawanan
wild.
yun sa Saturday Night Live.
Are you saying what I think you're saying?
Shit, mukha silang hip-hop entrepreneurs.
Kelsey Nielsen.
Soft butch.
This is Stella from Lemonade Mouth Erasure.
She's played by Haley Kiyoko, therefore our
False.
views are biased.
Olaisha Rulin, hindi Hailey Kiyoko si Kelsey Nielsen sa High School Musical.
Please take out your phones for a Kahoot. Is everyone ready?
The modern smartphone is just so bourgeoisie.
Bourgeoisie. Middle class, ibig sabihin.
Feels like someone's avoiding this because someone's upset about someone's club collapsing.
GSA is not collapsing.
GSA is kind of collapsing.
We're smart. We can handle this.
Smart? Remember when we all forgot the word for horses? We called them big dogs.
Kung
for an
nanonood sila
entire
ng My
week.
Little Pony nung mga panahon na yun, ano kayang tinawag nila sa My Little Pony? Maliit na aso?
You look gay.
Yes,
You can't
exactly.
infiltrate
Parang
street society
mascot
if
si
you're not
Mickey
cute.
mascot si Mickey ng mga bading. Pag sinabi mong gay, Mickey McPherson.
3 o'clock. Girl in femme shirt. Hey, do you want a gay best friend?
Sorry, I'm not, you know.
Your shirt.
Chick na to.
Yeah?
Parang
Do you know what it
permanenteng
means?
lasing.
Are you from business club?
Do we look? And she's gone.
This is hopeless. GSA will collapse. I'll never find love. I'll have to marry a man.
Quinn?
We'll probably hunt for sport.
Showtime.
Parehas Queen. Ayoko din magka-relasyon sa hillbilly redneck. Ayoko din sa Red Hot Chili Peppers. Californication.
I mean,
Last
I'm
meeting,
Quinn,
si
and we're lesbians.
Queen, Edinburgh Hills. Dapat first
You
sight.
do that. It's on the poster. Cool. You want a form?
Ikaw na mismo lumapit sa booth, BOOTA, o sa stand na may sign na get a gay best
What
friend.
is the
Tapos
name
later,
you possess?
magsisisi.
I apologize and I will translate for them. What is your name?
Olivia?
Olivia.
Mag-ingat ka sa may mga pangalang Olivia. Baka gawin ka ng kanta at i-stalk ka sa Instagram. And that's part 2. Abangan ng part 3.